Hello and welcome back to Easy Step English. This is our second episode and we're happy you're here again. Today's topic is the coffee shop.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Step English. In episode 1, we talked about the grocery store. Today, we will use simple English you can use in a real coffee shop.
Laura, do you like going to coffee shops? I do. I go to drink coffee and also to work on my laptop. It feels relaxed, but sometimes ordering can be confusing.
Yes, I like it too. I like the smell of coffee and fresh pastries. But the menu can be big, many drinks and sizes. Today, we will help our listeners feel more confident.
Let's start with some basic words. In a coffee shop, you see a counter, a menu, and a line. The barista is the person who makes your drink. You can sit at a table or take your drink to go.
Good. You may see words like small, medium, and large. You may also hear hot or iced. A latte is coffee with milk, and a black coffee is just coffee with no milk. These are common words in American coffee shops.
Let's do a mini story. Yesterday, I went to a coffee shop before work. I felt a little sleepy, so I wanted a strong drink. The line was long, and the menu had many drinks and sizes. I did not want to slow down the line.
This happens to many people. You feel pressure when people are behind you. A simple trick is to choose one basic drink before you get to the counter. For example, small hot latte or medium black coffee. Simple is okay.
When it's my turn, the barista usually says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" A simple answer is, "I'd like a small coffee, please." You can also say, "Can I have a medium latte?" The phrase, "I'd like," is very useful.
Yes, you can also add milk or sugar details. For example, I'd like a small coffee with milk. Or, can I have an iced latte with no sugar? Keep it short and clear. You do not need perfect grammar, just clear words. Sometimes they ask, for here or to go. If you drink it in the shop, you say, for here. If you take it with you, say, to go. This question is very common in American coffee shops. They may also ask your name. The barista says, "Can I get your name?" You can answer Jack or Laura, and they write it on the cup. Then they call your name when your drink is ready.
Let's practice some questions you might hear. What size would you like? You can answer, "Small, please," or "Large, please." If you're not sure, you can ask, "What sizes do you have?" Sometimes the barista offers extras. They may ask, "Would you like anything to eat?" You can say, "No, thank you," or "Yes, a muffin, please." A muffin is a small sweetbread, very common in coffee shops.
Another question is, hot or iced? You can say, hot please, or iced please. If you want a cold drink with ice, say iced. If you want a warm drink, say hot. Very simple. They might also ask, do you want room for cream? This means they leave space in your cup for milk or cream. If you want space, say, yes please, a little room. If you want a full cup, say, no thank you.
At the counter, after you order, they tell you the total price. You may hear, "That'll be $4.95, or "Your total is $7. You can pay with cash or card. If you pay by card, they may say, "Insert your card," or "Tap your card." After you pay, they may ask, "Would you like a receipt?" You can say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Then you move to the side and wait until they call your name or your drink. Now let's practice key phrases. Repeat at home if you can. I'd like a small coffee, please. Can I have an iced latte? For here, please. To go, please. These short phrases are powerful. You can use them right away.
Here are a few more. Can you recommend something? What is your most popular drink? Can I get this with soy milk? No sugar, please. Keep your voice calm and slow. Your goal is clear communication, not perfect English.
Let's review some important words: barista, counter, menu, latte, black coffee, for here, to go. If you learn these words, you will feel more relaxed in a coffee shop. Each visit is good practice. Thanks for listening to Easy Step English Episode 2. Next time you go to a coffee shop, try one new phrase like, "Can you recommend something?" or For here, please.
Thank you for being with us again. Listen again and repeat the phrases out loud, then try them in real life. We'll be back soon with more easy English. Bye!